omo rigaleria hekero chiskuru ao chibegete hemiroberio yogochia ko yarigania aborkiwa kwenda ase omotimoko omotambe BW'ERUSA nigo bono mwarimu monne bwe skuru ya nyagokiania aesokirie na kwenekia gokwandra engana yo kwa Abaibori obosemi nenchiremo yogochia gosanga na aborkiwa babo kichinga kibarachenka na kobaene kia bunamba chikukina ne chimbwa chingia.
Nimeshukuru sana kuwa na Ensoko TV visiting our school. Majina naitwa Muriuki Martin. Mimi ndio msimamizi wa shule ya Nyagokiani Boys Senior School. In terms of the progress of the term, we have done well. And when we look at the how the conduct of our students, we have tried to manage them well in school. They are well behaved, and we encourage that close talk between the teachers and the students so that we may understand their problems, and immediately we note there is some problem, we try to solve them. In collaboration with the board, we have managed to keep our school running, and we are about to close. My advice to the parents: our sons are coming back home. Let us sit down with them and let us inform them that with every action they take, there are consequences. They must make sure that their sons are well behaved. That is the only time they will achieve their goal for their future. Therefore, I also encourage the other heads of institutions to be close to the student. That is the only time you will identify any problem that could be arising within the student community. Therefore, I urge you to make sure that and advise your sons well when they come for this short holiday, and at the same time prepare for them, have school fees. When they come, let them come with paying slips, because that is what keeps our school running.